So now I'm going to teach you calculation of normal business profit. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
So when I am talking about goodwill, can you tell me how many methods are there to value goodwill?
Ma'am, two methods.
3 methods.
That's three.
What are 3 methods?
Uh,
Average profit method,
yeah, average profit method,
super profit method,
super profit method,
and third method is what? Capitalization. Are you?
capitalization.
So
Yes,
when
ma'am.
I'm talking about average profit method, in average profit method, there is 2 methods to value goodwill. What are the 2 methods? Simple average profit
Simple
method
average method and
and
weighted.
weighted average profit method. When I'm talking about simple average profit method, what is goodwill?
Goodwill is okay. Number of years times
It is number of years purchase
purchase
times average profit.
times the average profit. Yeah.
Now over here, what thing we are going to learn is, we are going to learn about average profit. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is number of years purchase times average profit. But when I talk about average profit over here, so we want average profit, but we want our normal average profit. When I am talking about normal average profit, what does it mean? That I want to find the goodwill of the firm. I value the goodwill of the firm based on the profits that is made by the firm. So I want to take only that profit that is related to the business. I want to take into consideration only that profit that is related to the business.
In the business.
If the profit is not related to the business, what will I do? I will remove it. Okay. If the profit is not related to the business, what will I do? I will remove it. And if there is some abnormal loss which I removed from the profit, but it is abnormal, so I will add it back. Understand? When I am talking about average profit, I am talking about the profit that is related to the business. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if my profit includes some portion which is not related to the business, that means if my profit contains some abnormal profits, I will remove it from the profit.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if there is some abnormal gain, I will remove it. Abnormal gain is called profit on sale of fixed assets. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what are the things that you would remove from average profit to get the average normal profit? Which profit I am looking at?
Average normal profit.
How do I get the normal profit? By removing the abnormal.
Removing the abnormal gains.
By removing the abnormal gains. So what are the abnormal gains that might be included in the profit and I have to remove it?
Yes,
It
ma'am.
would be some non-business income, some
Yes, ma'am.
income that is not expected in the future, profit on sale of fixed assets, abnormal gain, abnormal income,
Abnormal.
income that is not going to come in the future. Okay, so and any future expenses like insurance premium, all this I have to remove it to from the profit to get the normal profit. So can you tell
Yes,
me
ma'am.
things that you will remove from profit to get normal profit?
And things that will remove abnormal gains and non-business
Abnormal
income,
gains, non-business
yes,
income,
ma'am.
non-recurring income,
Non-recurring profits,
any future expenses, future
expense.
insurance premium that is related to the business, that also I will remove it.
Yes, ma'am.
If I have reduced my profit due to some abnormal activities, like abnormal loss on sale of fixed assets, overvaluation of opening inventory, non-recurring expenses, capital expenses which I have treated as revenue expenses. So if I have reduced my profit before, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
due to abnormal activities, so I will add back. So if my profit has accounted for abnormal loss, but this is not a normal loss because I want normal profit. So I will add back
Yes,
the
ma'am.
abnormal loss. I will add back loss on sale of fixed assets. I will add back non-recurring expenses. So to get your normal profit, average normal profit, what will you do?
To get average normal profit, we'll remove the losses.
You will remove,
Wait, no,
abnormal income.
abnormal incomes. Yeah,
And you will add
abnormal losses.
losses. You will add abnormal losses. Okay. You may remove what?
Abnormal income.
Non-recurring non-recurring
Yeah,
income.
okay. Non-recurring income.
So you will add back what?
Non-recurring loss.
Non-recurring expenses.
Expense. Okay.
If you will remove non-business income, so what will you add? Some
Non-business loss.
capital expenditure that you have charged. This will rarely come.
Okay. Okay.
You will remove overvaluation of closing inventory. So what will you add back? Overvaluation of opening inventory.
Opening inventory.
Why? Because closing inventory is treated as income.
Okay.
Okay, come on, tell me. When I am talking goodwill is what? What is goodwill? Number of years purchase into what?
Okay, formula. Yeah,
Number
number
of
of years purchased into average profit.
into your average profit. But which profit I want?
No, average normal profit.
Average normal profit. So if I wanted the average normal profit, so what will I remove?
All
I
the
will remove
abnormal
abnormal
incomes.
income. What is an example of abnormal income?
Example would be.
Profit on sale of fixed assets. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
This is example of abnormal loss. Loss on sale of fixed assets. So you're going to remove abnormal income, non-recurring income, income that is not related to business. You will remove abnormal income, non-recurring income, income that is not related to business, and overvaluation of closing inventory.
Okay.
You will add back abnormal loss, non-recurring expenses, capital expenses which you treated as revenue expenditure, and overvaluation of opening inventory. You need to write this, you need to memorize this, and you have to give take-ups of this. When I am valuing goodwill, what do I do? How do you get goodwill?
Ma'am, we get it by number of years of purchase times average profit.
So you get
I mean,
goodwill is equal to, if I'm writing over here, it will be goodwill is equal to number of years purchase
purchase
times average
average profit.
normal profit.
Average normal
What?
profit.
Average normal profit. Now we are working on calculating average normal profit. How do you get the average normal profit? I will teach you how to get the average normal profit. Your average normal profit will be your actual profit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You do not want abnormal gains, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You do not want abnormal gains. So you will remove the abnormal profits. So minus actual profit minus abnormal gains. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And add what?
Add abnormal loss.
Add the abnormal loss. So what do you learn as APAG?
Yes, ma'am.
AL, APAGAL
AL
is equal to normal profit. That means your actual
profit.
profit minus the abnormal gain
Abnormal gain plus
plus the
abnormal loss.
abnormal loss will give you what?
Normal
It will
profit.
give you what? Your normal profit. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So actual profit minus abnormal gain plus the abnormal loss is going to give you a normal profit. When I am writing abnormal gain in the bracket, you also write non-recurring. That means some income that is not recurring, that also you can remove. And some
Yes,
expense
ma'am.
that is non-recurring, you will add. You will memorize this format. Actual profit minus AG.
AG plus
And then if you
AL.
minus abnormal gains, you're automatically going to add the abnormal loss. Will give you normal profit. So I want the average normal profit. What do I want?
Average normal profit.
What do I want? Average normal profit. Okay. So my focus over here in question number 5 is to find the average normal profit. Come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Goodwill is valued at 2 years the purchase. It's just not showing properly. So 2 years
Yes, ma'am.
purchase of 3 years normal profit. Okay. It is valued at 2 years purchase of. Can you
3
please
years normal
start?
profit.
Hmm. Okay. 2 years purchase of 3 years normal profit of the firm. Can you read now ahead?
Yes, ma'am. I can't see.
Okay. So goodwill is valued at 2 years purchase of
2 years purchase.
3 years.
Normal average profit. 3 years.
Okay, so I want normal profit. Now I have 3 years. What are my 3 years?
3 years of average profit of the firm.
2016, or I have
16,
2018, 2017, and 2016.
2016.
Actual profit is how much?
30,000, 80,000, and
50,000
110,000.
is loss. You can see.
Loss. Yes, ma'am.
And then it is 110,000. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. This is profit, but after debiting loss of stock. This is abnormal
Yes, ma'am.
loss or abnormal gain.
Uh, Loss
The
of stock
stock
amount
is
is
getting bought
abnormal
for
loss.
this abnormal loss. So what will you do for abnormal loss?
And we'll add it.
Hmm?
We'll add 40,000 and put it abnormal loss.
Yeah, so your normal profit is how much?
Normal profit is,
2018.
yes, ma'am, 70,000.
70,000. Go ahead.
Okay, that's how it is.
I have loss of 80,000 And I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
retirement compensation. That means you're paying compensation for retirement. This is a non-recurring expense.
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do?
We are paying, so it's loss, right?
Abnormal loss.
Normal loss.
What will you do?
Yes. 110,000. So 190,000 is normal profit.
See, loss was 80.
Yes, ma'am.
But
Oh,
you're
yes, it's a
having,
minus. Yeah, yeah.
so
Being
normal
subtracted.
profit will be, normal profit would be 30,000. Are you with me?
30,000. Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Profit is 110,000, but you have a gain on sale of fixed assets. Profit on sale
Yes,
of
ma'am.
fixed assets. What is it? Abnormal loss or abnormal?
Abnormal gain.
It is an abnormal gain. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
want abnormal gain or you remove abnormal gain?
We remove abnormal gain.
So your normal profit will be how much?
80,000.
Your normal profit for 3 years is how much?
Okay. 3 years, 180,000.
Okay, so goodwill will be number of years purchase into
Number
normal
of years
average.
purchase.
Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your average normal profit?
Uh,
Normal profit
average normal
is divided by
183.
would be 180,000 divided by 3. So your average normal profit is how much?
60,000.
60,000.
60,000.
Number of years purchase is
2.
number of years purchase is 2. So goodwill will be 60,000 into 2. Just
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
understand, I need normal profit for the 3 years. So I need average
3
normal
years.
profit. What do I need?
Average normal profit.
Average normal profit. Come on, do this sum. I'll wait for you. Now see, what will you do? You will minus AG, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus AG, add AL.
Yes, ma'am.
Profit on sale of asset is abnormal gain.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus. Loss by fire 30,000. It's abnormal loss. You will
Yes,
add.
ma'am.
An insurance claim 18,000 and interest on investment
Interest on investments.
and
Both in
dividend is
abnormal gain.
this is non-business gain
Recur non-business.
and this is non-recurring income.
Non-recurring.
So something that is not related to business and something that is non-recurring, again it comes in AG, income,
Yes, ma'am.
normal income. So 18 plus 8, that is how much? 26,000. 26,000 would be subtracted again. So you'll get the normal
Yes, ma'am.
profit for 3 years. Then you will find what? Average normal profit. How do you find average normal profit? Normal profit
Normal
divided
profit
by 3.
by 3.
So goodwill is average normal profit into number of years purchase. Average normal profit is 33,000 and it is 2 years purchase. So
Yes,
into
ma'am.
2. So goodwill of the firm is 66,000.
66,000. Yeah.
Okay. And look over here. They are admitting Z into the partnership for 1/4 share in goodwill. So I
Yes,
want
ma'am.
to know what do I want to find? I want to find Z's share of goodwill. So Z's share of goodwill would be the goodwill of the firm into the Z's share of profits Z's share of profit is 1/4.
By 4. Okay.
Goodwill of the firm is 66,000 into 1/4 Z's share of profit. So Z's share of goodwill will be 66,000 divided by 4. So how much it
4.
comes up to check? Check.
16,500.
So Z's share of goodwill is 16,500. Come on, do it.
Ma'am, you're muted, ma'am.
A sum that you could practice. This is your question number 7.
Okay.
Another sum is question number 8. You can practice it yourself and try to find out goodwill.
Okay.
Next is question number 9. You would see and try and find out the goodwill. We will discuss
Yes,
these
ma'am.
questions in the next class. And question
Okay.
number 10 again for goodwill. Okay? 10,
Okay.
11. No, only 10, up till 10.
Okay.
Not even the 10th, you will practice up till question number 9 for simple average profit method.